if a farmer comes in and he's making a living with what he's doing, he can't afford to be down, period. So coming from a bigger corporation where corporate policy kind of gets stood in the way of getting that done, we don't have that at Parish. We're going to do what it takes to get that farmer going or that customer going.
We got to take care of those customers, and so our goal as a parts department is have what we should have, and if we don't have it, get it. I've always said, undersell, over deliver, and that's what we do as a company.
Dealing with Parish is not just a product, it's the people that are there to help you. They're kind of like family.
Parish is opened up on the weekends. They've been here at night. They've been here on holidays. If you have a problem, the service department is there to get you back going. At Parish Tractor, you can always trust the salesman. You're going to get a fair deal, and you're going to get service after the sale, as long as you need it.